Hey guys, we're still packing. It's about 2 o'clock on a Thursday. So we've decided, remember the jars? Well, I put tissue paper on the top and sticky tape over the top because the lids didn't fit. So all the jars we've already started. Scooby, we're going to show you some of the vintage clothes we're taking. But just showing that we're starting to do the pack now. So in here are the rest of the glass jars with the thingies, and that's got some more glass jars. There's other stuff in there too. So, and we've got the trailer. Dan, our man, Super Dan, has done the trailer in ex-army style. We started putting some of the heavier weight to the front because you want that when you're towing, right? You put your weight to the front, right, and then lighter here. Stops the on the road. We've got this rack here is going on, a few more racks. But right now, we're going to show you, I'm going to go through these clothes. Watch me attack this. Oh shit, did I break it? Now. All right. So we're going to go through these here. So see, that's Benetton, I think that is. Yeah, Benetton. Vintage, 86. So we're doing jumpers in that one, are we?
No, that's a shirt.
No, it's not, it's a jumper. That's another vintage Benetton. So this one here, we're going to put the jackets in and stuff, and then shirts in another one. Alright, that's I don't know what the hell that is. That's a Sportswear Melbourne. That's a bit of suede. Yeah, I know, it's shit and I've ruined it. But anyway, that's a nice Quicksilver jacket. So we're taking some nice warm stuff for you. I can't even get it in the friggin' bag because, oh, that's a shirt. That's a nice Quicksilver one. I'd wear that. That's nice, that.
Size?
It's small. I'm not wearing it. There's another Quicksilver here. You can see. So we're not selling these dear, eh? I mean, these will be like, what do you want for that? $10?
Yeah.
You know, like.
That's Tommy Hilfiger.
Yeah, Tommy. There's a Tommy. Oh, that's a little bit stained. We haven't washed anything. That's not what we do. All right, that's the bag that's done. All right, so now we're up to some shirts. These are cool. Not that one so much. What's that? Surfing Late. That's modern. But these are original from the Beauty and the Beast movie. It looks free to loom tag. I look on eBay. Some of these are like, man, hundreds. And we'll probably be doing these for $10 each, these ones. So normally we have a $5 rack and a $10 rack. But we're not selling until the Saturday morning, so everyone gets a chance. There's a lot of this Beauty and the Beast stuff. That's cool. I mean, if you like Beauty and the Beast. Yeah, Carousel Fantasy. Beauty and the Beast. That's a cool one. It's double-sided. Vincent. Look at that. Original from the time. What's that, 1989? Yeah, vintage shirts, guys. Vintage shirts. That's a jacket. So they'll go in the jacket box. Piping hot. Yeah, it's a bit yellowy, but again, that'll be $5. Let's throw a Playboy hat in there. That's another Vincent. Vintage tees, my man. And that's I don't know what that is. That's a skirt with a price tag on it from an op shop that I must have bought it from. I don't know if I'd even take that. Shirts, pants. So I'm not taking pants. You know, what's this here? I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a test at the Gabba in 2011. What's this, a rugby? Australian one, is it? Large, yeah, it's good, nice shirt. $5. What's this? What is this, my friend? That's a Grizzly. That's a jacket, so that'll go on this one. That's gross, it's not going anywhere. Orange County Choppers. Oh, yeah. That's a shirt. They go in here. I don't want to take the pants. All right, there's shit. There's our lids. So there's a lot. There's a lot. That's a jacket. That's going to be jacket pile. What brand's that? It doesn't look anything. I think it's reversible though. Yeah. Yeah, it zips on the inside, zips on both sides. It's reversible. What's this? Fucking iron board cover. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Okay, so this box might be shit. What do we got here? Sorry, can't make it. Have a board meeting. It's got a surfboard on it. Yeah, I like that. We've got lots of hats too in a box, which I don't know where it is. There's a Nike. It's a bit yellow, but it's Nike and it's a bit vintage. There's a jacket. That looks shit. What brand is it? Zara. Is Zara expensive? Oh, it's a girly one. We'll take it. That's just a plain white shirt. I can just go there. You get another garbage bag, buddy, and start it up, yeah? Yeah. Well, it's got tags on it, this one. Entrant, rocks on. Tweed heads. Or Gold Coast, actually, it said. We're not taking this sort of shit. So, I mean, some of this has been, I don't know. Is this a jacket or is it pants? Oh, that's quite nice. It's a girly one. That's all right. It's a jacket and go on there. That, I don't even want to look at that. What's this? Pants. I'm not taking any pants. I can't be bothered with them. That's nice. What's this? It's Quicksilver or something, is it? Don't know. It's large. It's nice. That's a jacket. It's a shirt. What's this one? Oh, Krusty Burgers, bruh. It's yellowish shit though. Oh, we'll throw it in. Somebody might want it. What's that? Ford Performance Club. Australian team. God, we haven't ironed. When's the last time you ironed anything, Scoop? Roger David. God, that's a big Roger David. Yep, in there, jacket. Another jacket. That's just Tarzo shit. Red Spot Boutique. This says Fox on it. What's on this? Sevilla, I don't know. It's a nice tag. We'll take it. A shirts, that one? No, this is shirts. What the hell is this? Let's throw it in there. It's just pants. We're not doing pants. What's a fucking a backpack? Yeah, tell me what I want it. T-shirt. I don't know, what's that one? Classic Kangaroo. I guess it's rugby league, probably, is it? Yep, Queensland Rugby League. And this is a hideous jacket. It might be something, so we'll chuck that in there too. All right, so I think that's it. That's the tubs. We've got some empty tubs to fill up other stuff. That's a BBL Brisbane Heat shirt. Yep, somebody want that. Okay, plus we've already got what? Those two bags you didn't see. I think one's jackets, one's t-shirts. I don't know what's in that one. It's starting to rain again here. Starting to rain. So we're going to leave that here and just put this away. All right, so thanks guys, and we're going to make more, I guarantee.